Leetcode weekly context 466 Q2 minimum operation to transform a string. If we can replace y with z, then z with a, which means for example 1 we're gonna need two operations, which means we can always turn y to z first, then to a. So no matter how many y are there or how many z there, same for b, which could be the maximum. B could always be replaced by C, then D, then E, then Y, then Z, which means the maximum, the minimum operation based on this character, which is the order in the alphabet. If it is Y, then it's gonna be 2, and the maximum of this minimum number could be 25 if it is B. That will be all.